Her husband called her fat. Now look who it is. Her husband said fat, lost weight and now is a beauty. In 2013, Betsy Ayala, she seemed to be happily married to her husband, and ended up giving birth to her daughter, Isabella. However, after the birth of her daughter, the new mother continued to gain weight, and in a moment she came to weigh about 120 kilograms. So she decided to take control of her health and her body when she discovered that her husband had been cheating her over more than 6 months. He found a text message where he and his lover made fun of his obesity. They called her cow, and P***Ty Gordita, Betsy marketing manager, is 34 years old and lives in Houston, Texas. And after discovering that her husband had an affair, she vowed not to be defeated and started working with her sister, changing the sugary snacks for healthy shakes. In college she increased to 95 kilograms, and when she gave birth she reached 120 kilograms. His 14-year relationship tensed. He was already battling with severe postpartum depression and anxiety. I had been with him from the time I was 17 and practically dedicated my life to our relationship and to him. Instead of doing the common things that would make a woman disgusted to find the deceit of her partner, such as destroying her husband's car or breaking his clothes, he decided to make a change in his life, starting with exercise as well as his sister and leading a healthy diet. They called me a cow and a fat one and my planet collapsed. Always affirmed that I looked good or tried to make me eat junk all the time. So I was so devastated when I read those messages because of the fact that it was as if I had admitted or wanted me stay like this. I asked